It's simple. Universe 6 Saiyan King on planet Sadala, and of course, Vegeta. I am pretty confident, and I would put it at like a 95% that of course Vegeta will eventually visit planet Sadala one day, and meet the Universe 6 Saiyan King as said during the Universe 6 saga here in Dragon Ball Super. Now, we've talked about this before, but a real question I want to ask you guys is, how do you think the interaction is going to go from Vegeta meeting the Saiyan King of Universe 6? Of course, we know Vegeta's father was the Saiyan King of Universe 7, ultimately until he was wiped out by Frieza. I think it'll be very interesting to see Vegeta meet a king, whether or not it will remind him of his father, especially if this Saiyan King supposedly has a similar personality to Vegeta. Perhaps that personality could also mimic or mirror his father's personality. I wonder if there will be any interesting emotional points at that sequence or at that time that we will see Vegeta hopefully meet the Universe 6 Saiyan King. As far as his strength is concerned, he's supposed to be strong and prideful, of course, like Vegeta. Whether or not he is as strong as Vegeta, I highly doubt. Initially, the strongest Saiyan of Universe 6 that we knew of was Kabe, but now with the introduction of Caulifla and Kala, there's been some discussion and some back and forth going in regards to whether or not Kabe is still the strongest, or whether or not one of the female Saiyans actually have one up on him. Regardless of that, Vegeta meeting the Universe 6 King, I think will be an interesting moment. Whether or not it goes deeper into the Universe 6 King possibly wanting Vegeta to serve under him, you could never know. It could be an interesting situation like that, where the Universe 6 King actually comes to like Vegeta, sees maybe some of himself in Vegeta as well, and would like Vegeta to be maybe his second in command or something to that nature, and help him with the Universe 6. Of course, Vegeta will probably most likely decline because of his family, and he wishes to stay in Universe 7, but you never know. I think it will be a very interesting development. I've talked about it before. I just think the Saiyans going to planet Sadala in general is going to be awesome. We're finally going to get that, and it's been so long since we've had a legitimate Saiyan communication and bonding like that between two different universes of Saiyans, different evolutions from Universe 6's evolution to Universe 7 Saiyans. I think it's going to be an interesting moment, no doubt. So I'm just curious as to how you guys think the interaction is going to go between Vegeta and Universe 6's Saiyan King, whether or not the Saiyan King, like I said, will want Vegeta to serve under him, whether or not they may actually not get along because their personalities are too similar. I'm not sure. What do you think is going to happen? How do you think it's going to go? What would you like to see happen with this altercation? Not altercation, but this interaction, I should say, in this meet, which I'm pretty sure is going to happen at some point. It was hinted during the Universe 6 saga. I think it's just a matter of time of when they will actually include it here in Dragon Ball Super. Whatever it is you guys think, go ahead and let me know that in the comment section below, and of course we shall take it from there. Interested to see what you guys have to say about this, and whether or not you think the interaction will be good, it could go south, whether it'll be, you know, something different. Any possible scenarios you think that could happen of this, or should happen with this interaction in this meeting when it takes place, let me know that.